Kali Linux plus Docker with MITRE Caldera. All right, we're going to go ahead and clone the Caldera repository. Now this will take a few minutes. I'm fast forwarding it here so you don't have to watch it. All right, we'll go into the directory of Caldera and we're going to Docker build Caldera. And again, this will take a few moments. Now this is going to allow us to do breach attack simulation within our environment and test our detection and prevention capabilities. Now we'll go ahead and run Docker. Obviously, you do not want to run this as a privileged account. It's just a lab environment. It'll take a few moments to come up. And that's it. That's all you need to get Caldera installed on Kali Linux with Docker.